Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put in my hair extensions, how I style them to blend in with my short hair. It can be very hard when you have short hair because it's just a little bit more complicated blending in, because then your short pieces will stick out, especially when the hair extensions are so long like mine. So if you want to know how I style my hair, then please keep on watching. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using these hair extensions today. These are the Zala hair extensions and these are 30 inches. I've been wearing hair extensions for about 5 years already. So I'm pretty confident on how I put them on. Like, I know what I'm doing. Okay, girl, she know what she doing. But yeah, I've been wearing hair extensions for 5 years. Might actually be a little bit over 5. I started wearing hair extensions in middle school, which is crazy, I know. I think I was like, if I'm not mistaken, like 14 when I got my first pair of hair extensions. Yeah, about 14. And I'm turning 22 this year, so let's do the math real quick. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Holy shit, it has been way over 4 years, 5 years. It's been like, if I counted right, like over 7 years. But yeah, I've been wearing them for the longest. I've always stuck to one brand, which is Bellamy hair. I've always wore Bellamy hair. I love the quality. I want to say a set of hair extensions will last me about a year with good care. Obviously, you don't want to, treat them badly and brush them all hard, making all the hair fall off. You definitely have to take very good care of them. They are human hair. And the only reason why I switched to Zala hair recently is because of the length that Zala offers. Bellamy hair, I think the longest they go is, if I'm not mistaken, it's 26 or 24, one or the other. But I wanted to get some length, honey. So I found Zala online. Basically, I was literally searching like 30-inch hair extensions, good quality. So Zala came up, and yeah, I am obsessed. Here they are. I will show you guys. They look a little bit nappy right now because I had them curled last weekend and I just brushed off the curls. But this is her. Honest, like, clip. Look at this length, girl. Like, yes, I could never. Don't get me wrong, I love my short hair, but I love the length and the volume. Just gives you such like a Hollywood glam look. So the only difference that I will say that I'm doing with these is I did incorporate 2 pieces from my Bellamy for my old set, just because I like to give it a little bit of like kind of like layer kind of look, especially because my hair is so short. I don't want it to be short and then like boom, long. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta have a little bit of layer in there, something to define it a little bit more. But yeah, I just brushed them out. So the curls are kind of still there. They're a little faded. I was debating if I wanted to go back in with the wand and recurl them, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna give it kind of like a natural wave, kind of like how my hair is right now, but longer. So yeah. And yeah, well, let me tell you guys real quick about this set. It did come in this really pretty box, which I already showed you guys. I am obsessed. And it did come with a sample of the shampoo, the conditioner, and I believe also a mask. I did use them already. I've had these hair extensions for about, I want to say like 2 months now, and so far so good. They have very minimal shedding, which I love. They're very easy to detangle. They don't get tangled, and they hold heat very well. That's very important because I feel like cheaper hair extensions, even though they claim to be human hair, you curl them and the curls just fall so quick. For these, they don't, and I really like that. So far I'm honestly loving Zala hair extensions. I might continue using them. I'm sad to say that because I love Bellamy hair. Don't get me wrong, no shade. Bellamy is such a great hair extension company, but I just love that the length that Zala offers. But if Bellamy were to come out with some 30-inch hair extensions, honey, that's a different story. I might go back to Bellamy. I don't know. I just think Bellamy is like so bougie, and I just love it so much. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my hair straightener. Nothing special about my hair straightener, just a regular 1-inch hair straightener. And I got my brush ready and I got my comb. So one thing that I always notice with other hair extension tutorials is that people don't tease their hair when they put in the hair extensions. I've never understood that. I feel like if I just clip them in, I'm just gonna be always scared that they're just gonna slide right off. So what I do is I actually do tease my hair, which is why I got the comb, but I guess it's optional. My hair straightener does heat up really quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning my hair. So I basically start right like in the middle of my ear. That's how kind of how I outline it, like not outline it, like kind of like know where to part first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first part. I did not grab a scrunchie. Let me grab one real quick. Okay, so I got my scrunchie just to section my hair. There we go. And I'm gonna start by straightening my real hair. So anytime, and this is kind of a hack when you have very short hair and use hair extensions, if you're gonna wear hair extensions curled, straighten your hair. Don't curl your hair. Literally just straighten your natural hair and only curl the hair extensions. Why is that? Because hair extensions are heavy. So even if you curl them from up here to really blend in with your hair, the curls will fall down and it'll start curling more towards the tips, kind of like middle down. So if your hair, this is how I do it. Like, you see my hair length? Here's the clip. It's right at the middle. So I only curl from here down. Why? Because my hair, if I curls, it's gonna be curly up here, straight, curly. You don't want to look like that, girl. Let me give you that tip. So always straighten your hair, no matter the hairstyle. Except if you're gonna like crimp it with like a wave or something, then yeah, you know, slightly do yours. And I'll do another video on that because I do also like to crimp my hair extensions and it just looks so pretty, like such a pretty water wave. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start straightening my hair. Let me share with you guys that I started taking hair vitamins from the Ollie brand, I think it's called. They're right here, right there, you can see them from here. And it's like the Undeniable Beauty ones, and it has really been helping my skin. My nails have been growing like crazy. I literally just broke 2 nails with this one and this one. I've got the wrong one at work, so I'm hoping I go get that fixed today. But yeah, guys, other than that, it's been helping my, I don't know if I see any hair growth like a crazy rate, but I mean, my hair's growing. I had recently cut it like up to here, so I mean we got a couple inches in, but if you know me, you know my hair does not grow. I don't understand why, but it just doesn't grow. Or if it does, it grows very slow and I just don't realize that it's growing because it grows so slow. All right, guys, so let me stop blabbering. I got my hair straightened, my first section. So I'm just gonna take my comb here and I'm gonna grab a little bit of the top part and I'm gonna slightly tease. So I'm gonna tease my root. That way it kind of adds a little bit more of a security grip hold for the hair extension clip. You don't have to tease it because I know technically teasing does damage your hair over time. It does create a lot of breakage, but for me, I just feel more secure. I feel like if I just clip in the hair extension, then you know it's just not gonna work. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and you just literally just brush down and clip like so. If you're planning to go for a night out, crazy night out, and you know that you won't be dancing all night, I recommend hairspraying the root. I'm not gonna do it in this video only because I'm not gonna go out today. I'm only just gonna go run some errands. So what you do is you hairspray the root, like kind of like when you tease it. So it kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, like it just adds a whole lot of, well, it's kind of bad because then your hair extensions will get a little bit hard, so you will have to wash them afterwards, but it just makes sure they stay in place all night, honey. Okay, no tracks falling off over here, let me tell you. All right, so I'm gonna clip another of the little 3-piece set. So I have 2 in right now. And also I start from smallest because you know hair extensions have a different length. So like this is one of the 3 clips, but the one I just put on is the one from Bellamy, so it's a little bit like smaller, kind of like this. So I put those two, and then I work my way out from like smallest to biggest to smallest again. You'll see. The instructions give you the opposite. They say you should put like the big one first and then like work your way down, kind of like a upside down triangle. That's the best way to describe it for me. I do it like the other way, like that. Like, well, actually it wouldn't even be like that, because I do like small, medium, large, and then the two pieces. It works, you know, do whatever works for your hair and your head, because not everybody got the same head, you feel me? So like for me, I have a small head, so the big ones really do fully wrap around for me. All right, so I just clipped in the two, so I'm gonna go in a little bit above my ear, and I'm gonna go ahead and section there. And same thing, I'm going to straighten my hair. My curls are coming back so good. I'm so excited for that. I feel like heat just, you know, obviously damaged them, and my curls went away for a while. I had really like just weird wavy hair, but now they are coming back. I have been, like I said, taking vitamins and just using more hair mask. I probably should have used heat protectant, but I didn't. Shame on me, because I'm literally staring at it right now. All right, so I'm gonna keep straightening. All right, so I'm all done straightening. I dropped my comb. Let me grab it real quick. Oh boy. Okay, so I got my comb back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna start teasing my roots. Again, this is optional. You do not have to tease your hair if you do not want to, but I do highly recommend. Or if you want your tracks falling off in the middle of the store, honey. Just kidding. I don't know. I've just never tried it the other way, but I assume that they fall off way easier. All right, so now I'm gonna grab that. I keep dropping my comb. Okay, so I'm gonna grab that 3-piece thing. What the fuck do you call these? I was gonna say a 3-piece like set. I don't know. But I'm gonna grab one of the 3-piece pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and there's different ways you can do it. Sometimes I'll start on the side. I think I'm gonna actually do that today. Or just straight back in the middle. So go ahead and clip that down. See, this is what I'm talking about. If it's not teased, it just slides off. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my comb wherever I threw it this time. Of course. Guys, I am like a mess today. And re-tease this one a little bit more, so that the hair extension can really like grasp on there. There we go. Way better. Comb it out a little bit. See how it's sticking out? Sometimes it's just trial and error. Keep teasing or whatever. Like, it does not want to be my friend today, honey. So I'm just gonna re-tease again, literally until my hair wants to grasp the hair extension. All right, guys, this has been a struggle today. I don't know why. There we go. Better. I could definitely feel it way more secure now. So now, same thing with the other side. I'm gonna re-tease this little bit right here, right by the top of my ear, and I'm gonna go in with the other 3-piece. Usually you get 2 of each, so 2 of the 2, 2 of the 1, 2 of the 3, 2 of the 3 extra large ones. These are like the medium length ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip, and just wrap around. This one is gonna overlap the other one a little bit more, but that's fine. And clip. Boom. That's it. You see how my hair is already starting to look way more better? Like, yes, girl. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with another section, and now this is gonna be about, I space them out about 1 inch from each other, but I do stack 2 per part. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this part now. Same thing, just straighten my hair and put in the hair extensions. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair off. Basically, it's the same concept over and over again. And yeah, so Let's finish this hair, girl. Alright babe, so this is the end result. It gives such length and volume. I definitely recommend trying these hair extensions out for yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.